Well, hi, this is Jerry with I Love RV Life. When Joan and I travel, we get tons and tons of questions. Where did you get those camping lights? Well, I made them, and today I'm going to show you how I did it. Well, hi, this is Jerry with I Love RV Life, and we get tons and tons of questions about our camping lights. These are the little Walmart $9, sometimes you can find them $5 and $6, the little LED solar lights. And this is just literally some scrap 4x4 I found. It was just and it's really weathered and kind of beat up, and that's exactly what I wanted. So today I'm going to show you step by step how I make these things. These take minutes and some very basic tools. I've got everything set up. Let me show you how I do it. These are super simple to make. This is a piece of scrap 4x4. I think I just found this somewhere. It's really weathered and beaten up, exactly what I want. And you just use some random sides. So I'm going to do this real time, and we're going to do this super, super fast. So let me get some basic tools and we'll get this thing going. First thing you want to do, you want some odd lengths. So I've got a little bit of a bad end here that I'm going to cut off. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut it into a 12-inch section, a 9-inch section, and a 6-inch section. And I'm going to have some left over. Now you can use regular hand tools, a regular hand saw if you have that. I do have a little small power saw. I am going to use that just for speed of showing you how to make these. But like I said, a regular hand saw, just 1, 2, 3 cuts. I am going to cut that bad end off and we'll be done. We'll put me some safety glasses on. And here we go. And because the blade is so short, and this is a 4x4, I am going to have to make one more cut on the back side. So here we have our 3 pieces. I don't want these to be perfect, to be truthful with you. I want them to look a little rough, a little rustic. We're going to kind of put them together like this. Like that. And that's all it takes to it. It's going to be some screws really fast. I'm going to use just some basic 3-inch deck screws, and because they're short for these 4x4 posts, I'm going to countersink them a little bit, so let me show you how I'm going to do that. And I'm really wanting the rough edge out. Just kind of give it that rustic look. And here's where we go to put it together. Super simple. These are you can buy these things at Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, just about anywhere. They're the little LED solar powered lights. They have a stake on them that you can actually put into the ground. I'm not going to use that. Actually, I'm going to throw that away. And I'm just going to use this little plastic part to set in here. And I'm going to take a 7/8 bit. You'll need to measure for whatever you buy and make sure that you can use that. And I'm just going to put me a hole right here in the top. And believe it or not, that's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. Minutes. Little piece of scrap, 4x4, less than, maybe 30 inches, something like that. Handful of screws, $6, $7 Walmart LED solar light. Set that out there by your camping spot. How easy is that?